Hello friends, today we are going to prepare honey garlic shrimps. The ingredients for this recipe are shrimps about 20, 4 to 5 cloves of peeled garlic, soya sauce 1 tablespoon, corn flour half a cup, green chilies about 3 chopped, lemon juice 1 teaspoon, honey half a tablespoon, butter 2 teaspoon, crushed black pepper half a teaspoon, half a cup of water, salt as per the taste, and to garnish we need a bunch of chopped cilantro. We are going to start with chopping the garlic. The ingredients here are 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, soya sauce 1 tablespoon, chopped garlic, honey half a tablespoon. I prefer to peel the tails of the shrimps and wash the shrimps in cold water. Add in the chopped green chilies as well. You will add salt and pepper to the shrimps and give it a good mix. Heat the pot. Add 2 teaspoons of butter and let it melt. Add the shrimps to the pot with the salt and pepper that was mixed. Let the shrimps cook until the water dries off. Meanwhile, we are going to add cornstarch to the mix that we kept aside. So this is the right time when we add the gravy mixture to the pot and let it cook. Please add half a cup of water as well. Let it cook for 5 minutes and here are your honey and garlic shrimps ready. You can serve this recipe with side white rice or steamed broccoli.